everyone, my name is Shashmishri and welcome to my channel Shashmi's World. And for those who are seeing me for the first time, hi! Today's video is about June 2019 BoxyLuxe box. This is the Boxycharm box. We get this for $21 USD, and this is the BoxyLuxe box which we get for $50 USD. I paid 79 Canadian dollars and I got products worth of 400 Canadian dollars in this month's BoxyLuxe box. So for me, that's a great deal because all the products in this box are great and I'll be using all the products. So that's a win-win for me. So this is a BoxyLuxe box. Now let's get started. The theme for this month's box is Boxycharm Getaway. This is a list of things which is inside the box. I got the variation 6B. So I have already opened this. It came yesterday in the night. So I was like, no, I can't wait till tomorrow morning to see what's inside the box. And I'm glad that I opened the box because this box is nothing like the last BoxyLuxe box. Last box I was not happy, but this box I'm very happy. The first thing which I removed from this box is this Touch and Soul No Problem Essence Primer product. Looks like this. I used this today for my base. I did my base already because I didn't want to go back and forth in the video while shooting. So I did the base first. Rest on, I'll show you and I'll try it out simultaneously. And you can see the texture is very liquidy. I'll swatch it and show you. See the instant hydration it gives to your skin, and the glow that comes after that is really nice. Next product is this PYT On The Go Mini Hair Dryer. I got it in this cute lavender color. It has a very smooth finish. We got two attachments with this dryer. One is this diffuser and another one is this blow dryer. This all really fits in very nicely. Just pull it out, and for attaching, just push it in. So this is a very cute hair dryer. Many people don't like using hair dryers that the hotels provide while traveling. So this one will be a really great addition when you are traveling. You can just put it into your bag and use it whenever you want. So this is a very nice product. The next product out of the bag is this Dr. Brand Clean Biotic pH Balanced Yogurt Cleanser with chlorophyll. It has that mint green, light mint green color. Oh, the cleanser feels so good on my hands right now. This product out of the bag is the Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Illuminating Skin Refresh Mist. This is a great addition to the box because it's summer, and in summer we need refreshing mist. Shake it well before use and put it around 8 to 10 cm away from your face. It's a very fine mist, and it smells like truffle. Next product out of this box is from Pharmacy. Is their Honeymoon Glow AHA Resurfacing Night Serum. The serum looks like this. Nice golden cap to it, and it comes with a pump. I'll shake it and let's pump out. It's that semi-thick consistency. It's very moisturizing. I'll put it in the other hand also. It's very moisturizing. Since this has AHA in it, so don't use it in the morning. Use it at night. The next morning when you're getting ready, top it off with sunscreen, or else the UV rays can do a lot of damage to your skin. The next product is Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. It's a dry shampoo basically, and see the size and see my hair. I really need this because I have long hair. You know, I can't do shampoo in every 2 days because I'll fall sick, I'll have migraine pain. So dry shampoos are my best friend. So I'll try it on this portion of my hair. You can see it's oily. I cleaned it like 2-3 days back and it's oily. So for that, I'll be shake it well. Let's see. Oh, it smells so nice. I use it in a small section. Do I feel a volume? Yeah, that's definitely a little volume. The next product which I'll remove from this box is this Dominic Cosmetics lip gloss. I got it in the shade. I was going to say flavor. Maybe I should say that. I got it in peach tea. Lemonade. It's written lemonade over here. So, oh wow, it smells like cake batter. Oh god, resist me from eating this. You can see it's a very clear gloss. It has a very light pink tint to it, but it's definitely a clear gloss. The last product from this box is the Startiest Pro Glow 3 palette, cheek palette. So I'll open it. It opens up like this, and voila, we have our 2 blush, 2 highlighter, and 2 of their contouring shades. So it folds also this way, so that's cool. So this is the Startiest. Now we'll have a small try on portion for this video. If you're interested, keep watching. So I'll use this shade basically to bring back light to my face. So taking it in a contour pot. By the way, this is a Luxe Pro Precision Face Brush. This also we got in BoxyLuxe. I think this came in the month of December. So BoxyLuxe is really nice because we will be using most of their products, if not all. But for this box, I can say that I'm going to use all the products because I like them and they are really according to my need. So I'll just contour up my face a bit. I'll apply dust excess, start applying it from my hairline. Now for blush, I'll use a flat brush and I'll take a combination of these 2 shades. There's a lot of fallout from the blush. This highlighter has some golden shimmer to it, so I'll take some on my fan brush. This is a very subtle highlighter. If I change my brush, maybe I'll pick up more products. So basically I use this highlighter on high points of my cheek and on my nose. Now I'll swatch all the 6 shades for you. This is the first blush. Okay. I'll swatch it somewhere here. The second blush. There's a little variation in the shade, not much, but there's a little difference. Now comes the highlighter. I'll put it here. This is the golden highlighter which I used on my face, and this is more of a pinkish sort of color, pinkish. Oh wow, that is very nice. So these 2 are the highlighters and these 2 are the blush. Now for the contour shade, this is the matte contour and it goes over here. It's a very chocolatey, milky chocolatey kind of color. And this one is the one with shimmering shade. Okay, and this is the last from the palette. Okay, so basically for my eyeshadow what I'll do is I'll pop in this color, this bronzer color on the crease of my eyes. So what I'm trying to say is, if you have a face palette, then you can easily use this one as your eyeshadow also. So you don't need to carry a lot of stuffs. If you are going on a short vacation and you don't have space to carry a lot of makeup, then carry a face palette. So you can use it as your face palette, you can use it as your eyeshadow. So I popped in that and brought back some color to my eyes. Now I'll go with this pink shade. Now taking this pink shimmer shade, that's a highlighter shade, I'll take it on my finger and apply it on my eyelid. See, eye makeup is done by using this same face palette. I'll take this pink and this brown shade again on my lower lash line and then I'll see you. Now for mascara, I'll be using this Stress Take mascara which we got in this month's box. Okay, this is a cool thing. We have got, if you don't have eyelash color, so this is the color part. So what I'll be doing is, I'll curl on my lashes and show you. I don't usually curl on my lashes, but for showing purpose, I'll use this. You can just curl a part of your lashes using this. So I have curled on this part of my eyelash. Now for mascara, okay, I'll open it. Oh, this is a good wand. I'll apply mascara. This is the Good Vibes mascara from Stress Take. Now to try on this Dominic Cosmetics lip gloss. Here goes. The smell makes me remember cake. Now I want to eat cake. Oh god. It's not that sticky. Normally glosses are very sticky. This is not like that. It's very refreshing. See? Not sticky at all. So to set whatever I have done to my face, I'll use their face mist. Oh wow. And this smells like truffle. I'll do some eyeliner and I'll be back. So this is the end of the trial on portion for this video. Basically, I liked all the products. The ones which I used on my face and the ones which I'm planning to use it on later times. I really enjoyed all the products. I have to still try on that hair dryer, but for all the face products which I used, I really enjoyed using. This blush, I'm kind of digging it right now. Thank you Boxycharm for putting on a great box. There was a good number of makeup, skincare and hair care too. So basically what I can say is I am really liking this month's BoxyLuxe and I hope Boxycharm keeps it this way only. If you're planning to try out Boxycharm and you have not yet tried out, then I'll provide the links and everything down in the description part below. So if you want to try, then do try it out and enjoy. And if you don't want to, then you can unsubscribe and cancel anytime. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you want to see such videos in future, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I am posting any videos. Hope to see you soon in my next videos. Till then, bye. Take care.